Training your team to use AI tools can transform your entire business. In this long-form tutorial, we walk through a complete framework for onboarding employees into AI-powered productivity. We'll cover how to introduce core AI concepts, demonstrate real-world use cases, and run internal workshops that lead to adoption and results. We begin with building an AI onboarding kit, a Notion-based hub with explainer, videos, prompt libraries, and task simulations. Next, we create training modules using GPT, one for writing, one for operations, one for customer support. Each module includes hands-on exercises, rewriting emails, automating workflows, creating internal docs. We show how to organize AI Fridays, weekly internal demos where employees test and present AI use cases. For managers, we build a tracking dashboard that monitors AI usage across departments, showing measurable impact. Finally, we cover AI policy, security concerns, and ethics, and provide templates for guidelines. By the end, your team won't just know what AI is. They'll be using it daily too. Save time and work smarter.